Hey, welcome back guys. This is our last tutorial on Google Sites. This is a little more advanced, but it is pretty necessary, so let's get to it. And our video today is brought to you by Bad Hair Days. Bad Hair Days, for when your hair just wants to be bad. Get yours today. Very important sponsor of Bad Hair Day. They usually give us a lot of money to make these videos, so let's make sure we shout out to Bad Hair Days. So this is a little more advanced tactics, but you are definitely going to need these tactics. One of the first things you're going to do is over here, we haven't even touched this side yet. There's a lot of stuff over here, and it might look confusing, but it is real easy to use. The first thing you'll notice is you can insert text box, images, anything from your drive, or you can embed some HTML. However, we have that trick right here. When we double click, we get all that stuff right here. So it depends on which side you want to use. I usually use this one. Down here we actually have layouts. What's really cool about the layouts, and I'm just gonna come down here, I actually chose a layout for this right here. If this ever gets deleted by accident, watch what we can do. This is literally just a layout, so I'm going to delete this selection. You can see it's pretty highlighted in gray. I'm going to delete the whole thing. And I'm going to get rid of this one too, just to make this nice and clean. And let's say, oh no, I totally messed that up. I don't know where Mr. Rod's images went. Over here, all I did was click one of these. So let's put those 3 images back with text underneath them. I click it. Look at that. 3 images that you can add. Text, they even format it for you. They put everything together for you. These are for people who are not too picky and they just like putting up real quick formats like this. Super easy to do. Another thing you can do is click on some of these. You can make a table of contents just like we have in our notebooks. You can do an image carousel, so one big image will be here and then you click right and left, kind of like on a phone, to look through your images. There's buttons, dividers, YouTube links, you name it. You can just start adding that stuff, and it's just like anything else. You can drag it around. You can put it wherever you want. If I want to put it there, now I have it there. Doesn't look too good there. Let's just drag this over here, put them together. That doesn't look too great, so I'm going to take this whole thing, make it bigger, just like that. But that's just if you want to move things around. And of course, I'm using that undo button. As always, I love that undo button. Last thing is your themes. This actually controls the colors and the fonts. You can't pick your own fonts, but you can pick colors, and some of the fonts are okay in here. This is my one big problem with Google Sites, is you can't pick your own fonts. But we can mess around with them. So let's pick this kind of pink color, and let's see what kind of fonts they have. They got light, classic, which looks like that, and heavy, which looks like that. Say I don't like any of those. Not even the light one. I don't even like that one. I have some more themes down here. I think there's 6 in total right now. So let's try the Aristotle one. Aristotle changes the colors that I didn't have previously, and fonts that I did not have previously. One of the big drawbacks to this is you cannot mix and match. You can't really stack these together. I can't pick Diplomat's color and then pick Simple's font. It's a real pain in the butt. However, this is a free website maker, so I guess we can't really complain that much. Last but not least is your pages. We might not even get to any of this until next time when we create something on Google Site, but I wanted to show it to you. Your pages are right here, so if you want to bounce from your home page, which is this, to your My History page, which is a page that is due on Monday, you just click My History, and here we go. Same exact thing. If you want to add in pictures, if you want to type, obviously you have to type in these boxes, add a place that has positive impacts on me. This is all from our Do Now, just like I had done before. Rhode Island over there, put my grandfather over here, put the Simpsons over here, put Star Fox 64 over here. And then of course adding pictures, If I want to put a picture next to The Simpsons, I'm going to try it right now. Images, The Simpsons. And hopefully it's a good picture of Homer. Homer is my favorite. Oh, the donut guy from The Simpsons. Let's put the donut guy in there. Ah, he's super small. Let's get him a little bit bigger. And sometimes this formatting doesn't work perfectly. See that? It's not really helping me. If this ever happens, of course we can attach it to the actual thing that says The Simpsons. Oh, much better. Real nice. Still a little wonky, but you know, you do what you can. If you don't like my format, you can change this format. You can delete everything on here. Everything is deletable, especially the directions. When you finish, delete those directions. Delete those directions. You can delete all of this. You can make this your own site for What Makes Me Me. Now you know how to get through your pages. You know how to insert anything you want. You know how to mess around with themes. And you know how to delete things that don't need to be there anymore. Completely clear it out. Say you don't like any of my stuff. Get rid of all of it. And make your own. And that's our last tutorial, guys. Have fun when you use technology. Use it safely. Make sure it's exactly the way you want it, because this is the creativity right here. Thanks, guys. I'll see you on the next one.